In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix app not working on Gumroad in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. If the Gumroad app is freezing, crashing, or not loading properly, this can interrupt your workflow and prevent you from accessing your account or products. Usually, this problem happens because of internet issues, outdated app versions, corrupted cache, or temporary server problems. Now, if you want to fix app not working on Gumroad, here's what to do. Start by checking your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and make sure you are connected to a stable network because poor internet connection can prevent the app from loading properly. Next, restart your router or reconnect to another network if available. After that, update the Gumroad app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Outdated versions of the app can contain bugs that cause freezing or loading problems, so install any available updates and reopen the app. Then, clear the app cache if you are using Android. Go to your phone settings, open Apps, select the Gumroad app, open Storage and tap Clear Cache because corrupted cache files can cause app errors. Now, restart your mobile device. A simple restart can clear temporary glitches and reset background processes that may interfere with the app. After that, check whether Gumroad servers are experiencing temporary issues. If multiple features are not working, the problem may be from the platform itself rather than your device. Then, disable VPN services if you are using one, because aggressive VPN connections can sometimes block app access or create loading issues. Also, make sure your device has enough free storage because low storage space can affect app performance. Usually, this problem happens because of unstable internet, outdated app versions, cache corruption, or temporary server issues. Carefully reviewing these settings normally fixes the issue quickly. That's it. By updating the app, clearing the cache, and checking your connection properly, you can fix Gumroad app issues and get the app working normally again.